All right, everybody. This is from my pal cardcollecta12. Cardcollecta12. And he doesn't have 12 of these, so I mean, I guess he's a liar. But no, I'm kidding. he's got 3 value boxes of Topps Value, 2011 Topps Value boxes. I probably busted, man, I did hundreds of these when they were in, in Walmarts and Targets and stuff like that. And I killed it. I probably made at a minimum 50% back. I would travel around to all the Walmarts, right? And I would come home with like 100 boxes. Which, if you guys remember, was like $1,500, $2,000. I love these damn things. Absolutely loved them. I wish they would, make them really add the value again. The year before this, the 2010, they had the Heritage packs. Man, I busted the hell out of those. I don't know how many coins I hit. I had all kinds of pocket change after that. Hit a couple 50-cent pieces, a bunch of quarters. I hit a Stan the Man auto. It was awesome. I actually got the Target credit card just because of these kind of boxes. Because you get 5% back. 5% back. Good times. Alright, buddy. We're going to try to get you... We're aiming for 60. Alright? We're aiming to break even. Now, obviously, my numbers are going to be skewed because they're just going off. I'm not actually looking at eBay or anything, but let's see how close we can get you to break even here. All right, first up, we're looking for some parallels. All right, you have a silver. Nice. A little silver Bryce Harper. I remember putting these up in lots of 50. Alright. Now let's see what you got. Bang! Oh, 2 silvers. You beating the odds. Now, can you get a gold? Huh? Can you get a gold? No, you got a red. Alright, so I'm going to say that's worth like 12 bucks. I'm sure I'm off, but that's what I'm going with, alright? So I'm trying to get you 60 bucks. So I think I got you close to 12-ish. All right. Let's see what we're doing here. Matt Downs, Al Kaline. Al Kaline, the Legends parallel. So I'm going to say that's 5-ish. All right. 5-ish. Roger Maris. Drew Butera. Jacob Turner rookie. Roger Maris. Another Jacob Turner. These minis just slide right out. Sliding out. You got a Eric Hosmer mini. Freddie Garcia. Michael Pineda. Nathan Adcock. Lance Berkman, another Roger Maris. It's like your third Roger Maris. You've got a Roger Maris super collection going on. Another Eric Hosmer. Julio Teheran. Edgar Renteria. Looks like you got about 5 packs of these left. D. Gordon Stapler rookie. Anthony Rizzo's rookie. Frank Robinson. Adrian Beltre, Cognac. All right, last 2 packs of the update. Still no Trout. What's up with that? Last update pack. Oh, there you go. Look at that. What a pack. You got a Honus Wagner, Cognac. All right, that's about 5-ish. And then, little old Mike Trout. This was 15. I don't know what it is now, but it's probably 10-ish. Right, guys? Something about 10-ish? All right. So, this is where I think you're at. Approximately. Oh, it's still 15, says the chat room. So, 15... 20, 25. I'm going to say you're about $35 back so far. 35, 36. All right. So now we've got 3 packs left to get you over the hump. Sometimes 20. Cool. That's good. All right. Hank Conger. And Jameson Tyon LSD refractor. You've got Vizcaíno insert, and your last pack, buddy. Chris Archer, Futures. So those 3 packs kind of let you down. But you've got a 15, 20-ish Trout. Probably will go up here, season starting up. Honus Wagner and Al Kaline. 10-ish, maybe, maybe 12. And another 10-ish right here. So, not bad. I mean, that's pretty good. It's a decent return on your money. So, I hope you enjoyed the break. I did get you a Trout, a couple parallels, and 2 silvers. All right, buddy. Thanks for the break, and I'll talk to you later.